x, y, z equal to 0. So you solve all these 4 equations. Also here I would like to give their answers also, so you can verify with your solution process and it will become very easy. Answer for this is x y square p plus x square y cube equal to minus x square z minus y square z. The answer for third example is here is y upon x already I have completed, so here you write down x upon y. So the answer for this is x y p equal to minus y square q. Answer of third example, where small p is del z by del x, small q is del z by del y. Then the answer of second equation is 2x plus 2z into del z by del x into 2y plus 2z del z by del y minus z square equal to x square plus y square. And answer for first one is z equal to del z by del x into del z by del y. So with the questions I have also provided you the answer, so it becomes easy for you to do the work at your home, so you can get practice till the evening. So and in the next lecture you must attend the lecture by attending all these questions, by understanding the facts whatever I have explained to you. And if you have not understood anything, then you make note out of your queries, so as you can ask me your queries very easily, and so we can make it clear. So friends, I hope you have understood each and everything from this lecture, and this topic is very simple because a question of 3 to 4 marks always comes in examination, and it's very easy to obtain 3 to 4 marks. So out of 23, whichever is required minimum mark weightage, you can secure 3 to 4 marks from this topic. Next time we will see another topic which is also very easy, from which also you can obtain the marks very easily. So in this way we can first of all we will see only simple topics and which has the chances of coming in the examination. Okay, and friends, students, don't forget to put your attendance in Google form. You fill it out, your Google form, and put your attendance. So thank you. See you in next lecture. Okay, bye.